What's going on, team? It's Ricky with TechBud Solutions, and another update for you guys on the day. Tesla down 5%. A lot of you guys know, if you guys were literally just following our channel as of last week, after Elon announced that, first off, Tesla was already overbought. It was at 12,050. It has not pulled back for like a month to a month and a half. It was already overbought, and then he talked about having to pay taxes and all that good stuff. After that, it really caused a lot of selling pressure. He began selling a couple of his shares, tweet after tweet. I just feel like it's been a continuous downward spiral. I decided to begin to short Tesla and not even at the best time. I didn't start shorting Tesla like up here or up here. And it's one of the things that I actually shared within today's live trading session that, I was beyond like, my trade with shorting Tesla was beyond perfect. It was not anything that was like ideal. I did a good job. I didn't do a perfect job. But we just had such a good live trading session today. We talked about such important topics. I've nearly closed my entire short position. So I've gone from $120,000 to $130,000 shorting Tesla. Now that we broke below $1,000 a share, I'm going to now be a little bit more careful. So now I only have 30 shares, so a little bit under $30,000 shorting Tesla. I'm up over $4,000 on the day. I've, again, only been really shorting Tesla for about 4 days as it's been bearish, right? There's a reason behind everything it is that we do. And it's, first off, shorting comes at a greater form of risk, especially, when Tesla's bullish, it makes no sense to short it, right? A lot of people were asking me to short Tesla because of how overbought it was. That's just more hopeful, right? Because there was no indication of a pullback. But then once we actually began pulling on back, just like every single time, right, a stock pushes up, there's no question that it will crash. It will eventually pull back, and there's not one stock in history that has ever gone up within a very short period of time, has gone up that much, and then doesn't correct itself. It is literally how the market works. And if you couldn't see that happening, then I'm sorry. Like, we've talked about preparing at overbought levels and understanding oversold levels. And then now that we're approaching a potential support level on the 4-hour time frame, now it makes sense to maybe not short Tesla as aggressively and or completely cover my short position and maybe buy Tesla to go long. Right now, Tesla is not indicating any signs of an uptrend or any signs of growth, but we have pulled back enough that it could begin to establish a support level. So I actually wanted to invite you, if you guys wanted to watch today's live trading session, it's just a raw trading session. So you're going to need 30 to 40 minutes because that's how long this live trading session was. You guys can click the first link in the description. It's just a raw video from today. This is what it's like when I trade live with the Learn Plan Profit Group, and I just explain my thought process as I'm shorting Tesla, why I'm covering, why I'm adding to my short, and then I give a couple of tips to absolute beginners that are just getting started and or struggling. So I really enjoyed today's live stream. It had to be one of my favorite or top 10 favorite live trading sessions. I'm sure if a Learn Plan Profit members watching this, they can agree. But yeah, I think that we did a really good job. I'm just uploading this video, letting you guys know that I'm pretty much just closing my short position. I feel like, again, Tesla, when it gets going and when it goes bullish, it really gets going, and I don't want to be caught on the reversal of that. So I'm gonna, take my profits while I'm on top right now, call it quits, cover my short position. And if anything, if Tesla begins to indicate signs of a recovery, I'd love to jump in on Tesla and maybe go long on it if it actually begins to indicate signs of a recovery. So as of right now, I'm just going to probably close my short position and let it bleed, let it find a support. And then once we see a steady sign or indication of a recovery, then I can follow up with Tesla and, either go long on it, or if we break below the moving average, then I can maybe short it again. So until direction is more clear, I'm probably not going to touch Tesla. And this is just my follow-up video letting you guys know about that. So I really do appreciate you guys' time. Today's video is very short and sweet. I never want to try to gloat while I'm in the green and I know other people are potentially in the red as Tesla's down 4%. All I'm sharing within today's live trading session was why it's so important to always just be well balanced. And if you're kind of struggling today, I really do think that you would really benefit from today's live trading session. And again, That is that first link in the description. You can maybe comment down below what your thoughts of the live trading session was. So I really do appreciate your guys' time. Hope and wish you guys an amazing rest of your day. I hope that I earned your thumbs up. And like always, let's make sure that we end the year on a green note. Take care, team. My goodness.